Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send TRX from Kucoin to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your Tron tokens for trading, staking, or just diversifying your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. TRX is a popular cryptocurrency, and transferring it between exchanges like Kucoin and Uphold is straightforward. But always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kucoin and Uphold, and that you have some TRX in your Kucoin wallet. Start by logging into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallets, section. This is where you can see all your cryptocurrencies, including TRX. Next, find your TRX balance and click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to select the network. Make sure it's the Tron network, as that's what TRX uses. If you pick the wrong one, your transaction could fail or get lost forever, so pay close attention here. Now, enter the Uphold wallet address where you want to send your TRX. You can find this in your Uphold account under the TRX wallet section. Double-check the address for accuracy. It's a good idea to copy and paste it directly to avoid any typos. Then, input the amount of TRX you want to transfer. Kucoin will show you the network fees, so review those and make sure you're okay with the costs. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Go ahead and do that. After submission, Kucoin will process the withdrawal, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Uphold account and check your TRX balance to confirm the transfer. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and maybe refresh the page. And there you have it. You've successfully sent TRX from Kucoin to Uphold. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify details before proceeding. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.